Ciao ragazzi, adesso facciamo l'esercizio di listening a pagina 102, numero 3. Last Friday night, the police found the body of Derek Jones, a rich businessman, and now a detective is interviewing Jason Quinn, the suspect, about the crime. Listen and say if the sentences are true or false. Correct the false ones. Allora, quindi venerdì scorso, la notte di venerdì scorso, la polizia ha trovato il corpo di Derek Jones, un ricco uomo d'affari, e ora un detective sta intervistando Jason Quinn, il sospettato, riguardo al crimine. Ascolta e segna se le frasi sono vere o false, correggi le false. Ascoltiamo.
Unit 5, page 102, exercise 3. So, Jason, when was the last time you saw Mr. Jones?
I saw him at the pub on Thursday night, while I was having a drink with some friends.
What time was it?
It was about 10 o'clock.
Did you talk to him?
No, I didn't. He was busy.
What was he doing?
He was talking to a young man. The young man was shouting. He was very angry.
What happened then?
I don't know. I finished my beer and left.
When did you leave the pub?
At about 10:30.
Where were you on Friday night at 11 o'clock?
I was at home.
What were you doing?
I was watching TV.
I'm sorry, but Mrs. Jenkins, your neighbour, saw you at 11 o'clock. You were parking your car outside your house when she saw you.
She's lying. And she's very old, so she can't see very well.
She was with her daughter, and her daughter confirmed it. So let's start again. Where were you on Friday night, and what were you doing at about 11 when the murder happened?
I didn't murder Mr. Jones. On Friday night at about 10:45, I was driving home when I saw Mr. Jones in the street. He was talking to the man from the pub. Then they went into the park.
Can you describe the man?
He was quite tall, with short, dark hair, and he was wearing jeans and a dark jacket.
Why didn't you tell me before?
When I read about the murder in the newspapers, I was afraid. I worked for Mr. Jones for 6 months. I was his driver. But one day, while I was driving him to his office, I had an accident and I lost my job. Mr. Jones wasn't a nice person.
Okay, fine. Let's have a look at some photos and see if you recognize the man.